Joe Beermaster. We have a 2017 Hyundai Elantra. This is the newer style. I'm going to show you how to change the tail light bulb. The brake light's out on this. This goes for multiple years in the Hyundai Elantra. It's actually very simple. You need a couple tools. You're going to need a 10mm socket and a bulb. So you want to go in the trunk here, and you'll see this little access panel there. There's one on each side. We're going to open that access panel. You just kind of pull on it tight. And if you look in there, there's a 10mm. It actually has the 8mm thread, but the nut is 10mm. So we're going to take them both out. Now we're going to reverse that. Alright, we're going to loosen the other one. Alright, so we don't want to drop them inside, because if you drop them, you're going to have a problem. This is a body shop, so we have plenty of these in stock. But for you at home, it might not be so easy to get these. So be very careful how you get them out. They don't fall in. We actually had one fall in on the other side. Put them in a safe spot. Now what holds this in is those two 10s. There's two push pins behind here too that go into a socket, and then there's a slide. So the only way this light's going to come back is if you slide it back. Now first thing I always recommend is that you wiggle it. You'll wiggle a little bit. And then the other method is putting one hand here, right there, and then hitting it with the other hand. Here, we'll let you film over here. We're holding it. Good. So this can be tough. Just gotta keep wiggling it, pulling it. Gotta work it off of that clip. And if that doesn't work, you have to use some tools. We're going to slide it back. Right. So it didn't really come out that way, so we're going to use a little bar. It's that rear clip that makes it very tough. There's also another trick. You can push this wire through here, and then we're going to stick a rod in here. We're going to use a combination, kind of put pressure on it. Two people. You don't want to hit it too hard. There it goes. You don't want to hit it too hard. But that's when it doesn't, when there's a problem for it to come off. A lot of them come off easy. You can see there's a little slide here. See that slide pin? And the clip actually broke. But this one, you can either order that clip if it breaks, or just put it back on with the bolts. It should be okay. So now we're going to take the bulb out. Okay, it's like a Christmas tree light. Now hold the socket. Just push down and spin it. And we're going to put the new one in. Put everything back together the opposite way. So these can be very difficult. A lot of these videos elsewhere make it look easy to come off, but I'm telling you through experience, they're very difficult. So you have to be creative. You got to push it, twist it, and you don't want to break it. A lot of people have a tendency to put a screwdriver in there and try to pry it out. That's a no-no. So if you do the things I've shown you, you will get it out if it's tough to get out. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Put it back together and you'll be good. But always test your lights before you put it back together. Bye-bye.